This is my second tutorial using the Pathfinder. Again, drag my file onto Adobe Illustrator to open it up. Here we go. I'll zoom in, come on over like so, move my Pathfinder window over here. All right, I'm going to try to make this shape, but I'm going to make it perfect. This shape is not a perfect circle, but using the tools on Illustrator, like the ellipse tool, which is L, I can hold down Shift and I can make a perfect circle. Use V to get my selection tool, move it over there. Let's make it transparent. All right, now I'm going to make another circle. Use L for the ellipse tool, hold down Shift. And move the circle like something like so. All right, I'm gonna make this outside one a little bit smaller, hold down Shift as I resize. There we go. I'm gonna zoom in and select my outer circle. Now I'm going to use P for my pen tool. And when I move my pen tool on top of my path, it turns into a little plus on the bottom right of the pen tool. So I can click there, it'll actually add a point. Click there, add a point, and I'm going to click there and add a point. Now I'm going to switch to my light arrow tool by shifting to A and grab my anchor and pull it so it crosses over my second circle. Pull out the handle like so. Now what I'm going to do is select both of them, and I'll use this button on the Pathfinder tool. This is the minus front, where it takes the front shape and uses it as a cutting tool to cut out from the second shape. So I'll click that, and I've now cut out this shape. So it looks kind of like so. Good. Zoom out so you can take a look. Now I'm going to use the pen tool, scroll over this anchor point until there's a minus on the bottom right of that pen tool. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. There we go. And it'll delete that point. Zoom out a little bit. And now I can use my arrow tool. And I can manipulate this point in here like so. And there you go. I'm going to copy that and just paste it over here so you can see what it actually looks like. This tail can be worked on a little bit more. I can zoom in there. I'm not going to modify this outside point because the outside is a perfect circle. I'm only going to modify this anchor point on the inside, again using the arrow tool, the light arrow tool. I can move that. It's a little bit thinner like so. Still looks a little crooked. I'll lengthen out that handle there to smooth out that tail. That's actually pretty good. There you go.